What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your support email in Freshdesk. So let's get started. So first, you need to head over to the Freshdesk website, and then you need to log in with your Freshdesk account. Now, after logging in, you will be redirected to the dashboard or home page of Help Desk. From here on the left side, you need to click on Settings, which is the admin settings. And after clicking on Settings, you just scroll a bit down, and under the channel section here, you will see the email. Click on this email, and then on the left side at the top, you can see the option to add new support email. And under this, you can just add your new support email with Gmail, Microsoft, or custom email or Freshworks. You have multiple options to choose from, and you can just choose one and then you can set up your support email in Freshdesk. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.